Alright guys, so today I've decided it's been way too long since I posted a fire alarm video on this channel. Um, and also I have had a few requests to do a fire alarm video, so I apologize I have not had too many fire alarm videos out. I've just had the whole collection sitting back here because I still do not have a panel yet. I will explain that towards the end of the video, and I'll give you guys some updates on that. But since you guys were requesting some more content, I thought I would do a test of all the alarms I have recently acquired this year, because you guys have not gotten to see any of these devices in action yet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Basically, every device here except for this one, I will test this one too, but all these devices here and all pull stations, they came off of the 4002 system at the demolished building, which I have told you guys about so many times. Plus this, which you guys have already seen a test of this, so I'm not going to be messing around with that today. But you guys are going to get to see all these alarms being tested. We're going to test horn strobes, and then we're going to test this one, which I just picked out of the dumpster at that the renovation going on at that uniform store. So I'm going to go ahead and hook these up to these pole stations here, which I got from the building. These two I'm actually not going to be testing today. I just have these out because I got them, but I am pretty confident that both of these pole stations work just fine. I'm just going to be using this one as a switch today. So let's start by testing these guys here. These are the 2901 9838, 2903 9101 horn strobe combos. And I'm going to stop the camera for a minute, hook them up to the pull station, and then we'll get started. Okay guys, so just to expedite things a little bit here, I have these two guys hooked up at the same time. So we have two 2901 9838s here that are going to be sounding, so it's going to be quite loud. I'm just going to key the pull station and set them off for a few seconds. So here we go. Louder than I thought. Okay, let's move on. Alright, so now we're going to be testing the two 4903 rectangular horn strobes. I'm going to be testing them separately because there are two different model numbers. This is an electromechanical horn. This is an electronic horn. We're going to be testing the 4903 9219 first. So let's go ahead and do this really quick. Alright, so now we're going to be testing the 4903 9252 electronic horn strobe. From what I understand, this one basically has the same horn behind it as the Trulers. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the strobes that came off the 4002 system, starting with the System Sensor Spectral or Advance SR strobe. There's that. So now I'm going to be doing the Simplex 4904 9176 strobe. That one's got quite the click to it. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to be testing the System Sensor SS24 sounder strobe, which I pulled out of the dumpster. This one is currently stuck on the slow whoop tone because I did not get the jumpers with this, so it's stuck on that tone. We're just going to have to deal with it. So here goes this one. That's all I'm going to do with that one. That drives me absolutely insane. So there you guys go. That was basically the testing of all the alarms I have recently acquired. I am still working on getting the fire alarm panel. The construction contractor for the building that pulled out all these parts from the old building for me is still tracking me down. It is still working on tracking me down a simplex panel. So I will keep you guys updated on that. And obviously you guys will be the first to see the new panel when I do get it. But hopefully that should happen here within the next few months. So thank you guys for watching, and that'll be it.